Hello everyone, welcome to ixamBee for 50% faster preparation. I am Chandraprakash Joshi and I am telling you what shall be your approach now after this what has happened in SSC CGL. You know that the final results are out, and after the mistakes, after the gaps SSC has accepted in the system, it is very clear that these are not minor things. When the career of lakhs of students is at stake and SSC is conducting these kind of exams over a long period of time, the process of normalization or answer key is not new to SSC. Let us first understand what are the major issues, and most importantly, I am going to tell you what action you shall take. I am not just asking you to go to X, Twitter and other social media platform to raise voice against SSC. You have already done that work and the results are here because of that. But you need to take the steps to build your career. The number one issue in this episode is the wrong answer keys and errors. That is the blunder. On 18th January shift, 9 questions wrong. When we do the mock test, there is one question wrong and the issue reported, we immediately take action. And here there is a government body which is doing this real exam for lakhs of students. 20th January shift, 10 questions incorrect. What were these so-called experts of SSC doing in this? Is this simply a negligence? When there is a typing error in a math question, and suppose you have spent a lot of time, are not you going to pay the price of that one wrong question in other questions also? Because you have invested this much of time? Who will pay for that? Then the second issue is about the post preference game. SSC asks people to tell the post preference without telling the marks. Now you are eligible for a better post, but you considered or you thought that you are going to get lesser mark and you haven't applied for that. You lost this opportunity. So what is this much hurry? Was this a simply mistake in execution, or there is some intent behind it? We don't know. Then third thing is the normalization game. A lot has been spoken about normalization. The process of normalization we all understand, because in different shift, the difficulty level of the exam varies. And if you have appeared in a shift where the difficulty level was less, you will get extra marks so that your score become competitive with the scores of those students who were in the shift where the difficulty level of the exam was higher. Despite repeated requests to SSC, they haven't clarified what is the process of normalization. There have been so many anomalies which have been reported about the normalization process. Students are surprised, shocked, devastated. Some are very happy and enjoying also. But that is a game which is being played with the career of serious efforts made by some sincere student, those who have lost maybe an opportunity for another 1 year, or maybe they have lost opportunity forever. Some have overqualified in the age now, and some may have lost the interest. Fourth issue is, when there are so many mistakes done by SSC, why they are asking this 100 rupees fee if you have to challenge a question? First place, you are not realizing that mistake is at your end. You have so-called experts, those who must be doing re-evaluation 5-6 times before the paper is getting published, and there are mistakes. For challenging these mistakes, you are asking students to pay 100 rupees. Is this a way to earn money? Or is this a way to play a game with unemployed graduates? Your system is not able to, point 5, your system is not able to identify the non-eligible candidates. That is also impacting the normalization game, because these non-eligible candidates are also participating and their score is also counted for the normalization thing. We cannot ignore the impact they had in the final cutoff. It is very clear that SSC is not finding itself accountable. There is no such gestures by the SSC. I do not know how it is happening with such a serious issue where the career of these many people are at stake. Their years of efforts are going waste. Small companies like our test preparation team takes so much of care in making a test, and we actually feel very helpful when you report an error, because I believe this is our duty to provide you 100% error-free mock test, whether for SSC or any other exam. And when you report an error, you are actually helping us. But in case of SSC, they are charging 100 rupees. They shall actually reward the candidate, those who are able to identify the error when multiple level of checking has been done. The major question now, what shall you do? You have already posted on social media, you have asked the question, people have filed RTI, people will keep challenging in the court also, absolutely fine. But most important thing right now for you is your time. I will request you that you definitely keep preparing for a SSC exam or any other relevant exam, but year after year, exam after exam, you are seeing that there are serious issues with this commission. You cannot change the system. So there are there are ways to make decision. So change the system or change yourself. So here you can't change the system. You have to definitely raise your voice. It will help you and it will also help future aspirant. But at the same time, right now, I would suggest you, based on this preparation of SSC, there are multiple other exams. The closest which I see in my experience is banking related exams. There are other regulatory bodies and financial institutions in which the salary, perks, etc. are even better than SSC. The preparation of SSC is going to be helpful, especially for phase 1 of all these exams. And if you are talking about banking exams, many of you may not like banking. I will make a separate video on that and I will tell you what are the issues and what are the benefits. But when you have limited choice, more important is first you have to have a good job. My suggestion to you is keep writing, keep complaining, but beyond a point, don't waste your time because you have only one opportunity in career. Your every day is very, very important. For years and years, we are listening the problems, the issues, the challenges with the recruitment bodies. You also know where the recruitment bodies are fairer, where they are very transparent, where exams are happening on time, where results are declared with full transparency, where interview marks are also made public in complete fairness. You have so many success stories of so many candidates. Look forward for the opportunities where you can build your career. You may continue to apply in your SSC exam, but beyond a point, you can't really help yourself by getting frustrated, by going to the courts or by making more noise on the social media. If you continue to do what you are doing, more important, you open path for your success. Time is the key. We are here to help you in your preparation. On our platform, you can find out mock test and 100% error-free mock test. We will be highly obliged to you if you report the error. There is a tab, you can report the error for any question. You will get our response immediately. If there is anything else we can do that helps you building your career, please let me know, write in the comment. And we are here to make your job preparation 50% faster to unfold your potential. Wish you all the best.